Hello, Denise. I hope you can hear me. Now I try to show you what I mean in point 8. Selecten, modify, selecten borders with this setting. Here, modify, selecting borders. We look how much to and outside. See? Flood fill with your... One moment, I find my palette. Layers, new raster layer. New raster layer, yes, you see here. Flood fill with your color 3. I make a little zoom scroll with my mouse. So I zoom in again with my mouse. Select none. Yeah, select none. Good. Layers duplicate. Yes. Image view rules. I have it. Okay. Activate your pick tool. This is this pick tool. You see? Pick tool. Push together. Like this. And over here too. So I have this. You take here and push in and here. Okay. Now I put my hand there. Yes. Close your eyes. Here, 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 and here. Not the two first. Not this one and this one. Activate your Maggie 1. Yes, I do it here. Click there and there. You see? Yes. So I have this. Open all eyes. And flood fill with your gradient from point 6. So I make my gradient like this. And this. And select none. I hope you find out from here